unlock a world of content, and watch Apple TV like you never have before, no matter where you are. Ever get that frustrating buffering symbol or see a message saying content is unavailable in your region when trying to enjoy Apple TV? This is usually because of geographical restrictions, but did you know a virtual private network, or VPN, can be your key to bypassing these limitations and accessing a much wider library of shows and movies? Today, we're going to show you exactly how to do just that. Accessing Apple TV with a VPN typically involves one of two main methods: configuring your VPN directly on your router, or creating a virtual router on your computer. Let's break it down. First, the router method. This is often the most convenient, as it applies the VPN connection to all devices connected to your Wi-Fi network, including your Apple TV device itself. You'll need a VPN service that supports router configurations. Visit your VPN provider's website or control panel to find their router setup guides generally. This involves logging into your router's administrative panel, navigating to the VPN client settings, and entering the server details provided by your VPN service. This might include a server address, username, and password. You'll then need to select a server location in the country where you want to virtually be. Once saved and connected within your router settings, any device connected to that router will be routed through the VPN. Simply power up your Apple TV, and you should now have access to content from your chosen region. Alternatively, if configuring your router isn't an option, you can create a virtual router on your computer, download, and install your VPN software on your computer. Then, within your VPN application, look for the virtual router or mobile hotspot feature. You'll need to enable this, usually by connecting your computer to the VPN first, and then sharing that internet connection as a Wi-Fi hotspot. Your computer will then broadcast a new Wi-Fi network. Connect your Apple TV to this new Wi-Fi network that your computer is broadcasting this way. Your Apple TV's internet traffic will be routed through your VPN-connected computer, effectively giving you VPN access for your Apple TV streaming. With these steps, you're ready to bypass those annoying geo-blocks and explore the full breadth of Apple TV content. Happy streaming!